The calendar view lets you visually see a group schedule at a glance, color-coded by occurrence, allowing you to see how shifts work together to give you full coverage. In this video, we'll be looking at how to use the calendar view to create and modify a group shifts, as well as find and fix any coverage gaps. First off, you can see the shifts in a daily, weekly, or monthly view, making it easy to drill down or see a higher level view of a group shifts. To make it easier to see shift coverage issues, turn on Highlight Gaps. We can now see that this group has a 2-hour gap on Saturdays. We can also see a 1-hour overlap on Monday mornings. Let's fix these issues and learn how to modify shifts in the calendar view. Let's correct the shift gap first. We can see that the night shift is the correct duration, but the weekend morning shift starts 2 hours too late. We can move a shift in the calendar by clicking and dragging the shift. So let's move the shift up 2 hours to the correct time. Click Entire Series to make sure all shifts are adjusted. Clicking this occurrence will only edit this specific occurrence of the shift. Then drag the handle at the bottom of the shift to make the shift 2 hours longer, covering the gap. We can now see both instances of weekend night shift are an hour too long. Click the shift to bring up its details. Here, we can see all aspects of the shift. We can delete it, edit its members, edit the series, its frequency and recurrence, or edit the shift's time. Since we want the shift to end 1 hour earlier, let's change the end time to 4 a.m. and click Save. And now we can see our weekly schedule has complete coverage, without any gaps or overlaps. Single occurrence shifts are another example of the ease and flexibility built into the calendar view. Let's create a one-time shift that happens on Wednesday during the daytime. First, let's click the Wednesday daytime shift and delete this occurrence. We can now see that this has created a gap. Clicking on the gap will create a new shift that fills the entirety of the gap. If we turn Highlight Gaps off, we can do this a different way, by clicking and dragging to create a new shift. Let's give this shift a name. Our new shift now has a dotted line. This means this shift has no members. Click Add Escalations. This will allow you to edit the shift occurrence, add a member, and go back to the Calendar tab. We can now see our single occurrence shift is active and has members. Now you know how to view and edit a group shifts using the Calendar tab. Give it a try yourself by signing up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.